Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of March 2024 for all the Cancer Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of March for all the Cancer Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Sun controls your second house, and right now, Sun is moving in your eighth house in the sign of Aquarius. Sun will stay in your eighth house till 14th March. After 14th March, Sun will move from the eighth house to ninth house in the sign of Pisces, where Rahu is already moving. Second house deal with your family history is seen from second house, your early upbringing is seen from second house, your speech, your savings, your money matters seen from second house, your food intake habits are also seen from second house. Eighth house deal with your sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life is seen from eighth house, your major transformation in life is also seen from eighth house, your sudden positive and negative, both the events are seen from anything which is sudden is seen from eighth house. Your secret activity, your research activity is also seen from eighth house, and your in-laws related matter means your spouse's family is also seen from eighth house. So right now your second house lord is moving in your eighth house. So we can expect great result regarding your unexpected gains of money in the month of March, especially till 14 March, till Sun is moving in your second house, because your eighth house right now in a strong position, because eighth house Lord Saturn is also moving in your eighth house, and second house Lord which controls your money, your savings related matter, your bank account, your savings, your money related matter right now moving in the house of sudden event. So we can expect great unexpected good events in your life till 14 March, and we can also expect great gains of money in the month of March. Whatever you are working or business person, then we can expect great result for your parents and related matter till 14th March. After 14th March, when your second house lord will be moving in your ninth house, and ninth house will be your father, teachings of your father, your teachers, your mentors, your higher education seen from ninth house. Your fortune means how lucky you are is also seen from ninth house. Your long distance travel and travel related to religious purpose is also seen from ninth house. Rahu is already moving in your ninth house, and ninth house Lord is moving in your 10th house. So when Sun after 14 March move from your 8th house to 9th house, then we can expect great result regarding your savings related matter, regarding your money related matter. If you are in education life, then we can also expect great result regarding your education related matter. Also, we can expect good result regarding your research studies related matter before 14 March. If you are in research studies, like your second house lord still is moving in your eighth house, but after 14 March, when Sun will move from your eighth house to ninth house, then we can expect great result regarding your travel related matter, regarding your higher education related matter. If you are a business or working person, means if you have a job, then we can expect great result regarding your job related matter as well, because your ninth house lord is moving in the house of work, and Sun, your second house lord, will be moving in your ninth house after 14th of March. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Cancer Ascendant people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 12th house and your third house. And right now, Mercury is moving in your 8th house in the sign of Aquarius. 12th house will be your expenses, your losses, your isolation is seen from 12th house. Your foreign settlement related matter is also seen from 12th house. Your long term investment is seen from 12th house. Your spirituality related matter is also seen from 12th house. Your dream, your sleep pattern is also seen from 12th house. Third house will be your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends seen from third house. Your younger brothers, sisters seen from third house. Your communication ability seen from third house. Your hand skills are also seen from third house. Basically, your communication and hardworking ability is seen from third house. So right now your 12th house and third house lord is moving in your 8th house, and Mercury will stay in your 8th house till 8 March. After 8 March, Mercury will move from your 8th house to 9th house in the sign of Pisces in your 9th house. So So till 8 March, your 12th house and third house Lord is moving in your 8th house. So we can expect you may have some great result regarding your hardworking and communication related ability, but you may also face some argument, some differentiation, because Mercury is moving in your 8th house and Saturn and Mercury are friends in astrology. So right now your 8th house is in a strong position, but your third house is occupied by Ketu right now after 30th October 2023, as we discussed previously in Rahu Ketu transit video. And Mercury is taking Ketu's energy in your 8th house. So you may have to face some difficulties regarding your communication related matter with your cousins, neighbors, and childhood friend. And in journal, you may face some difficulty. You may don't want to communicate a lot with people in the month of March due to presence of your third house Lord in 8th house, and Ketu is already moving in your third house. Also, your 12th house Lord is moving in your 8th house. So one naturally malefic house Lord is moving in another naturally malefic house till 8 March. So till 8 March, we can expect great result regarding your foreign settlement related matter. You may spend some money on something and you will purchase it because your naturally house of expenses, house of losses Lord is moving in your 8th house, and second house Lord which controls your money is also moving in your 8th house. So we can expect till 8 March you may also spend some money on something and you will also purchase something and you will have some loss of money due to your second house, and 12th house Lord is moving in your 8th house. But we can also consider this loss in a positive manner. So you will spend some money, so you will get something in return. So we can expect these results till 8 March from Mercury for all the Cancer Ascendant people. After 8 March, when your 12th house and third house Lord will be moving in your 9th house. So from 9th house, third house Lord will be expecting its own house, your third house. So after 8 March, we can expect some relief regarding your communication, regard regarding your difficulties in your communication ability, which we have just talked previously, because Mercury will control its own house and Mercury will aspect from your ninth house to its own house, your third house, and so Mercury will try to provide you support regarding your communication and hardworking ability after 8 March. 12th house Lord is also moving in your ninth house after 8 March, and 12th house deal with foreign settlement, and ninth house deal with long distance travel, and Rahu represent foreign things. Lord will be moving in your ninth house, then we can expect great result regarding your travel related matter, regarding your education related matter, and your travel related matter, regarding your education related matter, and also we can expect great result regarding your fortune related matter after 8 March, when Mercury will move from your 8th house to your ninth house. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Cancer Ascendant people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Venus controls your 11th house and your 4th house. And right now Venus is moving in your 7th house in the sign of Capricorn. 11th house will be your friend circle, your professional circle is seen from 11th house, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment hopes and wishes seen from 11th house, your elder brother sister seen from 11th house, your sources, your PR is also seen from 11th house, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. Fourth house will be your mother. Your mother's relationship is seen from fourth house. Your mother's health is seen from fourth house. Your property matters, your vehicles, your how much conveniences do you have in your life is seen from fourth house. Your emotional state and emotional peace is also seen from fourth house. So right now your 11th house and fourth house Lord is moving in your seventh house, and seventh house is right now in a strong position due to presence of Mars in your seventh house in the sign of Capricorn, and Mars considered exalted in the sign of Capricorn. So when your 11th house Lord is moving in your ninth house, then we can expect, if you are looking for a spouse, then we can expect you will definitely get a good proposals in the month of March, especially till 8 March, because Venus is moving in your 7th house till 8 March. After 8 March, Venus will move from your 7th house to 8th house. So till 8 March, we can expect you will get great proposal. And or if you are already married, then we can expect great result regarding your marriage related matter, regarding your business partnership related matter, and your general relationships related matter, due to presence of your 11th house Lord, house of gaze Lord, in the house of relationships, in the house of marriage, in the house of business partnership. Also, your fourth house lord will be moving in your seventh house. So fourth house also will be your happiness, your peace, your emotional peace seen from fourth. So if you are married, then we can expect great result regarding your happiness and emotional state related matter in the month of March, especially before 8 March. Also, we can expect great result regarding your fame related matter because fourth house lord is moving in your seventh house and fourth house will be your homeland, seventh house and tenth house will be your fame. And right now, your fourth house lord is in a strong position in your seventh house. So, if you are a celebrity and you are some actor or you are some public figure, then we can expect great result regarding your fame related matter before 8 March. After 8 March, Venus will move from your 7th house to 8th house. So when Venus, your 11th house lord will be moving in your 8th house, then your 4th house lord will be also moving in your 8th house. So that's why we were saying Sun and Mercury section, you may suddenly get a lot of gains regarding your properties, vehicles, comforts related matter in the month of March. And because your 8th house is right now in a strong position due to presence of Saturn in your eighth house. Also, your house of gains lord will be moving in your eighth house, and second house lord is also moving in your eighth house till 8 March. So we can great unexpected events for you people in the month of March, a great gains of money for you people in the month of March. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Cancer Ascendant people in the month of March. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Cancer Ascendant people, Moon controls your first house. Mean Moon is very important planet for you people because Moon is your ascendant lord. And right now, ascendant lord is moving in your sixth house in the sign of Sagittarius. The positions of planet you're watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of March because moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties are always associated with these houses. And moon is a very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily, either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house during these days, we can also expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. And especially problem will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planet from any house in transit. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Cancer ascendant people, Mars controls your 10th house and your 5th house. And right now Mars is moving in your 7th house in the sign of Capricorn where Mars is present in its exalted position in your 7th house. Mars will stay in your 7th house till 16th of March. After 16th March, Mars will move from your 7th house to 8th house in the sign of Aquarius. 10th house deal with your work environment is seen from 10th house, your fame related matter is seen from 10th house, how far you can go in your career, in your profession, in your occupation is also seen from 10th house, your how much your superior will support you at your workplace is also seen from 10th house. How good you are in your work is also seen from 10th house. Fifth house will be your children, your love relationships, your early education is seen from fifth house, your mental abilities, planning abilities, your fun activities also seen from fifth house. So right now your 10th house and fifth house lord is moving in your seventh house in its exalted position till 16th March. So 16th March, as we discussed previously in Venus section, if you are married, then we can say you will spend a lot of good time till 16th March regarding your relationships and your marriage related matter. Also, if you have some love relationship, then we can also expect you will definitely get a chance to convert your love relationship into marriage in the month of March till 16th March because house of gains, house of fulfillment of hopes and wishes lord is also moving in your seventh house, and right now your seventh house is in a strong position. and seventh house Lord is placed in your eighth house in a strong position. That's why we can expect you will definitely get a chance to convert your love relationship into your marriage if you want to convert your love relationship into marriage. Also, we can expect great result regarding your children and your education related matter if you have children right now or if you are in education life right now due to presence of your fifth house Lord in a very strong position. Mars is also aspecting from your seventh house to your first house. So Mars strengthens your ascendant in the month of March till 16th of March. That's why we can expect great result regarding your work related matter, regarding your fame related matter, and in general we can expect great result for you people. You will also get unexpected gains in the month of March. Either it is a gain of money, either it is a gain of respect, or some other thing. But you may definitely get a gains. You may definitely get some unexpected good news in the month of March. Also, there are chances some of your hopes and wishes will come true in the month of March due to presence of your 11th house Lord in your seventh house. So we can expect these results from all the planets for all the Cancer Ascendant people in the month of March. We will have four major astrological events in the month of March. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your 8th house, and Sun will stay in your 8th house till 14th March. After 14th March, Sun will move from your 8th house to 9th house in the sign of Pisces. Second major astrological event is that Mercury is right now in your 8th house, and Mercury will stay in your 8th house till 8th March. After 8th March, Mercury will move from your 8th house to your 9th house in the sign of Pisces. Third major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your 7th house, and Mars will stay in your 7th house till 16th of March. After 16th March, Mars will move from your 7th house to your 8th house in the sign of Aquarius. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your 7th house, and Venus will stay in your 7th house till 8th March. After 8th March, Venus will move from your 7th house to 8th house in the sign of Aquarius. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of March 2024 for all the Cancer Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.